In this AcuReview 2 training video, we're going to go over the Office user role in AcuReview 2. Office user is a new role for us because in AcuReview 1, which was created for pathologists, there had never been any thought of Office user. The only type of office user that AcuReview 1 has is a pathologist user, and that's it. So for most of our Office users, they were using our TC portal to be able to look at pathology reports. But in addition to that, some of them needed other information from AcuReview as well, and we didn't have a really good way to give that out. So when we designed AcuReview 2, we came up with the idea of having an Office user role so that this way Office users could log in directly into AcuReview 2 the same way the pathologists do, and they could gain information from there. So in addition to having access to the reports like you do in TC Portal, you also have the ability to run system reports, you have a dashboard, and it can give you other information as well. So when you first log in, you see this page, which is the dashboard, and it gives you some information about your cases and the cases that you have. And then in addition to that, you have the menu on the side, which has different items that you could look at. So you have request list, diagnosis summary, locate patient, billing summary, the old style, billing summary with insurance and grossing, positive cases, a session book, QA, and control tracking forms. So those are all the different Office user menu items. And I will have separate videos that explain what the different functions do. But this was just sort of an overview to get you used to using what Office User does. Just so you know, the main place that you would be going probably as an Office user is Locate Patient. This is going to be the closest to the TC portal that you have. So this will show you all of the finalized cases, and it will give you the ability to get the reports. That's what this little PDF icon is for the reports. In addition, we've also added scanned documents, so you can also get scanned documents. So I'll go over Locate Patient in depth in another video, but I just wanted to give you a highlight of that's what the overview of what Office users are.